Hello everyone and welcome back to Driveline, the channel where we explore the latest cars, bikes, commercial vehicles, and everything exciting from the automotive world. In today's video, we're going to talk about a very interesting and practical vehicle that could change urban transportation, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Auto Rickshaw. Auto rickshaws have always been an important part of daily transport in many countries, especially in busy cities where small, affordable vehicles are needed for short trips. The idea of Maruti Suzuki entering the auto rickshaw market has created a lot of curiosity among people. The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Auto Rickshaw is expected to focus on efficiency, affordability, and modern features that can benefit both drivers and passengers. Artist palette design and exterior, compact and practical. The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Auto Rickshaw is expected to feature a compact and modern design built specifically for crowded city streets. Auto rickshaws are designed to be small and lightweight so they can easily move through traffic and narrow roads. The front design may include stylish headlights, a strong front bumper, and a durable metal frame that protects both the driver and passengers. The vehicle will likely have a three-wheel structure with a covered passenger cabin at the back. Large windows and an open side structure allow passengers to enter and exit easily. The compact size also helps drivers park the vehicle quickly and operate it efficiently in busy markets, bus stations, and urban areas. Couch and lamp interior and passenger comfort. Inside the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Auto Rickshaw, the focus is on practicality and passenger comfort. The rear cabin is expected to provide seating for 2 to 3 passengers, which is typical for most auto rickshaws. The seats may include better cushioning for improved comfort during short city rides. The driver's area will likely include a simple dashboard, clear instrument display, and easy-to-reach controls. Some modern features may also be